Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Byerly, and this is my week 1 project review for mdf2 term 1407, I believe, yes, 1407. Okay, this week we had to create an application that would pull information and data from Twitter. You see my main storyboard view here. Let me get over here to look at the questions here. Okay. I got my main view. This is my table view. I got a custom cell, and then from there it'll go into the details, and then I got a button for profile that will go to my profile. And then I got an image for it. The name will come across, followers, following, and profile info. Okay, what questions we got? Go through a short overview of your code. The code is pretty much self-explanatory. I should have put a lot more comments in it, but I didn't. The video will be uploaded before the project will actually, so I'll probably be going after the video, add more comments and stuff. I didn't get a lot of time to work on this yesterday, as I spent part of the day in the hospital. So let's see, here's the overview, where I'm calling the accounts, calling the social, the Twitter reloaded. This is called when to load up the cells, so I don't have my emulator running. And you scroll down, this is a lot of the basic stuff that they had in the video. I did add the screen name and the count to do 20, instead of it populating like every one, which would take longer than it was going real slow, and I'm still having some issues with that, with the loading of okay, I don't need this anymore. I got a lot of cleanup that I got to do. I did make a lot of changes. I didn't have any issues getting the detailed to work, but the profile, I had a lot of issues getting the profile to work, so I ended up revamping that 3 or 4 times before I actually got it to work. And here what I did is just all the information from Twitter I put into strings, and then called them as I needed them. For the segue, I called the strings that I needed. I'm gonna go ahead and one issue I am having with this, which is a little frustrating because I'm not sure exactly as to why. Let this load up here. When this loads, that fades, and then sometimes this turns gray, as you see it is like a gray tint now. But when this clears, all my table view will still be white until I touch it or hit refresh, and then it will populate. I'm not sure why it doesn't populate automatically, and this is giving problems loading. Why? Back on it. I was just running this thing, I wasn't having any issues with it. Okay, anyway, okay, there it goes. I'm not sure why that took longer than before. But a lot of times this will stay white, and then if I move it, they'll all populate or they'll all show. Or if I hit refresh, it'll show. But you see here my post is working. If I click on one here, this is a test that I did yesterday, I think, or day before yesterday. And then if I hit profile, it doesn't show the profile information, maybe because I don't have anything really listed in there. I've not had this really very long. I've As you see, I don't have very many followers. It's mainly for my gaming, as I stream on Twitch, so it's mainly for that. And then I have another ZyBridge one, which is for pretty much my company, for my graphic design and such. But as you see here, this is all the views, all 20 of them or so. And if you click on another one, bring up timestamp, bring up the information. What do you think you could have done better? A lot, actually. As you see here, it's very plain Jane, more or less. I could have done a lot more with the aesthetics aspect of it. As you see here again, it's very plain. So I definitely want to keep building on this. I'm not sure what's in store for week 2, as I've not looked into that yet, but I definitely would like to take this and build upon it, and just to get more familiar and make it look a little nicer. There's definitely nothing that I'm going to try to publish or anything like that, but it's definitely something to play around with. I've actually installed it on my iPhone as well to play around with it. Then of course a lot more comments, not too many of course where it's cluttered, but just enough to where people get a hint of what each section is, which I will end up doing after this video. And that is all I have. Thank you for watching. Bye.